I'm Stacy Gordon. Welcome to That's My Jam. If you're anything like me, you're probably always looking for something new and different to make for dinner. Something that's quick and easy and something the whole family's going to enjoy. You ever just get home from work, take a look at that package of chicken you have laid out and think, what in the world am I going to make with that this time? Recently, I've come up with a chicken dish that makes everybody in this house happy. This is kind of a throwback to something that I used to love to order when my family would splurge and go to the neighborhood Sizzler Restaurant. Today, I'm going to show you my spin on Malibu Chicken. I like a little bit of sear on this chicken, so today I'm going to be making it in a medium-sized cast iron skillet. Medium-high heat and a tablespoon or two of olive oil. I like the cast iron skillet because I like a little bit of golden brown on this chicken, and sometimes that's harder to achieve when you're using a non-stick skillet. For this recipe, I like to butterfly my chicken breast. I just feel like butterflying the chicken breast helps it to cook more evenly. You don't have one end that's a little thicker than the other. You can season the chicken breast as much or as little as you like. I'm going to add a little salt and a few dashes of Danos. My skillet's hot and I'm ready to add my chicken. One of the great things about this butterfly chicken, it cooks a little faster. I think we're ready to turn this over. You can see my nice golden color. It's harder to get that with a non-stick skillet. That's why I like cast iron for this recipe. If you're into simple, quick, easy, and delicious, be sure to go down and tap that like button for me. And if you haven't already, I'd appreciate if you consider subscribing to my channel. In just a few short minutes, we've got a nice golden sear on the other side. We're going to take this chicken breast up. I've turned my temperature down to more of a medium heat. Now I'm just adding some regular old thin sliced deli ham. I just want to move this ham around to get it nice and hot. Once I've accomplished that, I'm going to add my chicken breast back to the skillet. Place the ham on top of that. And I'm going to add a slice of provolone cheese. You can use Swiss, whatever cheese suits your fancy. I like provolone. I'm going to put a lid on this just so we can get that cheese melted. I'm not ready to take this up yet, but I'm going to turn off the heat. My cheese is melted. We're ready to take this up. A few parsley flakes, if you're fancy like that. We're ready to give this a try. Once you cut into this, you're going to see the beautiful layers. You've got your juicy chicken breast, the ham, and the provolone cheese. Back in the Sizzler days, the sauce that was served with this chicken was a mixture of mayonnaise and mustard. Absolutely, you can mix up a little container of that, but I prefer honey mustard. A little bit of chicken, little ham, little cheese, little honey mustard. Absolutely delicious. Y'all, this recipe has all the components. It's quick, it's easy, it's delicious. Even your picky ones are gonna love this Malibu chicken a la Stacy. I truly hope you have a great week ahead. Don't forget to tune in on Thursday for Something in a Pot. In the meantime, turn off the TV, turn on some music, and just keep jamming.